guys, this is Alexander at All Secured Equipment, and today I'm going to show you the upgraded version of our 3-button remote. It is now compatible with all LiftMaster, Genie, Linear, Dalton, Chamberlain, and Sears Craftsman's operator. So we have the remote, the manual, the Visor Clip. Manual still the same, just shows the upgraded instructions. As you can see now, it's up to 7 different modes to program the remote according to your operator. And so today I'm going to show you how to program on the first button the Genie, on the second button I'll do the Linear, and on the third button I'll do the Dalton. Super simple, still the same way as before. All you have to do is hold the 2 first buttons to get into programming mode. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then we have a quick blink. So 5 was for the Genie, and now it's programmed for Genie. Same thing for the second button. So we're going to do 6 presses for the Linear. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Wait for the quick flash. Done. And then same thing for the third button with the Dalton operator. So that's going to be 7 presses. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And now it's ready to program. All you have to do is press on the Learn button and then hold this, to the board, and that will program the remote to your operator. Easy peasy.